This video that I will show you will help you find good position, whether you will trade for 1 minute to 2 minutes, either on the OTC market or normal market. First, we need to set our chart type into Heiken Ashi. Let us choose the high return pairs to get started with our trading method. Then let's attach the average true range with its default settings. Then the awesome oscillator with default settings. Let us now trade with our attached trading indicator. I will show you on how do I trade by using this strategy. Also, I forgot. I attached moving average to the chart. Let's set its settings. Change the moving average type into EMA, or exponential moving average. Then with a period of 12. Let's attach also another second EMA indicator. With a period of 24. Also, let's change the color and size of the moving average line, so that we can see clearly our strategy. You can choose whatever you want. We already set up our strategy. Let's now start trading. As you can see, the average true range oscillator and the awesome oscillator is in perpendicular to each other. Thus, this will be the sign if the trend is with 80% strength uptrend nor downtrend. Take a look at the two moving average. They meet each other. It's a high chance to go on the downtrend market. The awesome oscillator is exactly at its middle state, then it specifically goes for a downtrend, while the average true range simply draws downtrend line to support us on our trading method. Let us trade and go for a lower. Best to trade it with 1 minute, since we have set our time frame for Heiken Ashi for 5 seconds. Got our profit. Let us trade with another bear. Don't forget to support my channel and like this video. Take a look at this chart. The moving average will tend to meet each other. The ATR is on uptrend, then the AO is going up. Let's go for higher. See the rest of the video on how to get profitable with this free strategy. Thank you.